Have you ever walked through your neighborhood and thought, this place could use a bit more green? We're not just talking about lawns, but a real thriving garden where people come together. Community gardens, spaces where neighbors cultivate not just plants, but friendships, are sprouting up everywhere. And the best part? Starting one might be easier than you think. This isn't just about growing your own vegetables, though that's a fantastic bonus. It's about creating a shared space where people can connect, learn, and contribute to their community. Imagine swapping gardening tips with a neighbor or sharing the joy of harvesting sun-ripened tomatoes. That's the magic of a community garden. First things first, you'll need a plot of land. Scope out your neighborhood for a sunny, unused space. It could be a vacant lot, a patch of grass in a park, or even the grounds of a community center. Don't be afraid to approach local authorities or organizations. They might surprise you with their enthusiasm. Next, gather your gardening gang. Word of mouth is powerful, so start by chatting with neighbors, friends, and local groups. Put up flyers at the library, community center, and even coffee shops. Remember, everyone brings something to the table, whether it's gardening experience, boundless enthusiasm, or just a willingness to get their hands dirty. Now for the fun part, designing your garden. Get together with your fellow gardeners and brainstorm. What do you want to grow? Vegetables, herbs, flowers. The possibilities are endless. Consider raised beds for easier access and create pathways wide enough for wheelbarrows and wheelchairs. Before you grab your trowel, there are a few essentials you'll need. Gardening gloves, hand trowels, and watering cans are a good start. If you're starting from scratch, a sturdy shovel and rake will be your best friends. Don't forget about seeds or seedlings. Choose varieties that thrive in your local climate and soil type. The real magic happens when tiny seeds sprout and blossom into a vibrant community space. Imagine families gathering for a potluck with freshly harvested veggies. Children learning about the wonders of nature and neighbors sharing stories over a cup of chamomile tea, all nurtured by your community garden. But the benefits go far beyond the garden gate. Community gardens can transform neighborhoods by fostering a sense of belonging, encouraging healthy eating habits, and even promoting biodiversity. So, go on. Plant that seed of an idea, gather your community, and watch your garden and your community flourish.